It was in the last couple of months of 2017 that Blue Planet 2 was aired on television, and a new awareness of the damage of plastic waste was brought to the attention of the British public.
Since its invention some 100 years ago, plastic has become an integral part of our daily lives. But every year, some 8 million tons of it ends up in the ocean. And there it can be lethal.
Over 1 million plastic bottles are bought every minute. And so what we can do instead is to ditch these and get one of these instead. We're encouraged to think about the cars that we might buy and to use the car less, if possible, and walk or cycle instead. And rather than turning the thermostat up, what we can do is wrap up more warmly instead. I am so pleased that we as a church take environmental issues seriously, and back in 2015 we were given the Eco Congregation Award as a sign of the work that we have been doing. There is another way in which we affect the environment. Somebody once said, "You are the environment in which other people live." In other words, every interaction we have with someone leaves something behind. If we are overcritical, grumpy, unkind, thoughtless, then we leave a negative impact on others. But if we are kind, generous, thoughtful, we leave behind something much more positive. As we listen to the words of Jesus in the Sermon on the Mount, he encourages us to be salt and light. As we think about this, perhaps the question we can reflect on is, what impact am I having on the environment in which I live?
Matthew 5:13 to 16. Salt and light. You are the salt of the earth, but if the salt loses its saltiness, how can it be made salty again? It is no longer good for anything, except to be thrown out and trampled underfoot. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. This is the word of the Lord through Matthew.